computational inputs. These set of computational inputs was a non-linear or unorthodox approach to augmenting.
But you have to follow different laws. So I became infatuated with laws. What?
Because we're looking at sound from multiple perspectives.
Yeah, because all of these fields intertwine at some given point.
Mr. Pregnant is a metaphor for full of it. That was like my online.
Phonetics, articulatory phonetics, acoustic phonetics, and auditory phonetics.
I will want to primarily in computational linguistics or natural.
In a cross-disciplinary, a multidisciplinary, a transdisciplinary, and also an interdisciplinary approach to mental disorder. Taking multiple disciplines into consideration, it may
facilitates neurotypical or just any sort of any eccentricity, any sort of creativity.